the edge, yeah, there's a bit of a flat on it. Like when you're working really accurately, that might not go in a little gap or go down like into the split of a shoulder nicely. So you can sharpen it. I've got this rough buff stick. Don't need to go as rough as this. This might work on a grinding stone as well. Yeah, I put it on at an angle. Just take the back off. Obviously not trying to take the grinding edge off. And you can, let's see if I can do a bit more. You can get it to go to like a blade. So it will reach down further. And this is not a good example, but this is that ring I made, that full instructional. Like say I was at the stage where I'd only put 2 claws on and I'm opening up the daylight hole the other end. It's narrower, so if that's a really narrow gap, it will get in there nicely. If that was a split shoulder, you can get down in the split nicely. Yeah, more useful when they go to a sharp edge. But because that's thin, it is going to go a bit kind of frayed a bit more quickly than if you left it alone.